Saltaire Cadence on course now with Vanessa Brownie. Very easy to spot from a distance. Yellow horse, yellow colours, all very coordinated. A little bit hesitant there at the English Saddle Company roll top, but safely over and heading round to fence number 2.
Don't have to get that cut stitch. You stayed in this place on Friday night. Yeah.
Saltaire Cadence having a little spook at the 2-star jump there. I'm not expecting you to jump that yet. I'm coming up now to fence 3 for Vanessa. Pops over that one and on towards 4, safely over that as well. At the back here, Cerebella over the post and rail at 9 and approaching the corner. Saltaire Cadence popping very quietly. Saltaire Cadence now through the gateway and into the back paddock. Approaching the post and rail fence at 9. Pops over that and heads on towards the corner as Red Fox gets underway with Kelly Round. Doesn't like the look of the first fence, so coming back round to represent to that one. Cadence taking the option at the corner. Over the first and the second of those. Now just to manoeuvre their way back around to the red house. Over the red house there for Vanessa and approaching the bank. As well as Red Surprise down to fence 9 and coming around to the corner. No problems there over the red house for Ali as she swings around towards the bank. Meanwhile, Cerebella has jumped the last and cantered through the finish legs. Saltaire Cadence now getting out of the canter across the back paddock. Well, I reached the prime with Saltaire Cadence.